Hello dear champions, welcome to your own channel Rai Classes, where you are going to learn your SST, Science, Maths, English and Hindi subject by Roy sir, your own Bhaiya, Roy Bhaiya. Okay, so today we are going to learn the first chapter of new syllabus of science, new changed syllabus of science of class 8th, the first chapter in exploring the investigative world of science. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn the concepts. This is actually the introductory videos for you. Okay, that's why I'm here to clarify, I'm here to clear your doubt. Okay, so today you are going to learn here and grab the concepts, basic concepts of science. So let's get started. So welcome back to your own channel Roy Classes. Okay, so today we are going to learn the new chapter of class 8th science book. The new chapter is exploring the world of investigative world of science. Exploring the investigative world of science. Okay, in this chapter the first thing we have, what is the exploring world, exploring investigative world of science. Okay, so what about investigative world? So what do you think, what is science? Science is nothing but only continuous thought and implement on their thought and continuously do the things, work on that personal thought. Okay, and get the solution. Suppose we need something, we need a system, that's why we can elaborate the world. Okay, then we made the globe through which we can get the location, the direction, okay, the situation of any countries, continents, any water bodies where they actually lies. Okay, so this is the actual concept we are going to learn here. Exploring world means the science is exploring day by day itself. Okay, initially, for example, I take the example of technology. Initially, first 1G came, then 2G, the second generation, 3G, third generation, and recently 4G, this one 5G, fifth generation. Okay, this is what? This is the exploring way of science. And today we are going to step in the world of robotics. Okay, we are going to step in the world of AI, artificial intelligence. What we can command, what we give the prompt will generate something according to our thought process, according to the attitude, according to the concept, what I have learned, what we have learned here. Okay, so whatever you thought, that is science. Whatever you see here now, that is science. Sanitizer, you can see here, sanitizer is a chemical made in laboratory, that is science. Okay, you all might be sat down under your ceiling fan, that is science. You can watch me directly or indirectly, directly in class or indirectly through your mobile phone, that is science. That is the exploring world of science. Okay, yes. So what is science? The things around you can see. That is the example, that is the result of exploring the investigative world of science. Okay, you drive the scooty, You drive your bike, you drive any vehicles, that is science, that is the example. Okay, you hear me, I can deliver something to you, that is science, that is the example of science. Okay, yes. So the topic, what is science? What is science? Through your concept, through your book's concept, you can elaborate, you can read here what science is: the study of nature and natural phenomena to understand how the world works. Means science is nothing but only the study of nature and the natural phenomena that occurs in nature to understand how the things work, how the world works. That is science. Okay? Yes. Study of natural phenomena. Suppose it might be raining somewhere. That is study of the natural phenomena. That is science. Okay? Might be it is thundering somewhere. That is science. Earthquake. We felt earthquake. That is science. Okay, we felt what? The heat energy, the wind energy. That is science. So everything is science, you know. Yes. Again, the second topic, scientific method. Scientific method for what? To exploring the topic, thus exploring the science. So second thing you need to understand that is scientific method. Okay, so what might be the scientific method? You understand? Let me elaborate you. Just calm down and chill. I'm here, you right here. I will clear your doubt. Okay? Suppose we see the bottle. What bottle? Okay? Whenever we see something means we observe, we see it, we observe it. Okay, this is the observation. Oh, what's the color of this bottle? That is pink, that is red. Oh, inside the bottle it's water. Okay, this is the observation, you know, this is the observation. Oh, this is airtight bottle. Observation. I see this bottle means I observe this bottle. Okay, so this is the scientific method to explore the thing. Okay, so first thing, that is observe something, observe the things. I can observe how the fan is moving. I can observe how the bike, how the vehicles are being driven. Okay, I observe distinctly here how the students are writing. Okay, yes. So the first thing in scientific method, that is observation. First thing what you need to do, observe something. Second one, that is question. What's the question? That is curiosity, yes. Why the color of this bottle is red? Why the color of this bottle that's pink? Why the liquid is dilute? Okay. Why the fan is moving? Why the fan is moving in clockwise direction? This is question, you know. Why the earth moves around the sun? This is question. Why the pressure cooker whistle up? Beep, That is question. Okay. So second thing, that is questioning. And the third one, the scientific method, the third one, that is hypothesis something. Okay. The third one, hypothesis, means you can just imagine. Oh my god. Yeah, it might be rain. I can sense the cloud. I can see the mountain. Yeah, it might be rain today. So this is what? This is your imagination. Okay, this is our imagination. So this is hypothesis. Okay, the imagination is, oh, if I throw this up, that will fall down. That's our imagination, because we are well known by this phenomena. Through gravity, yes. If we fall it up, if we throw it up now, it will fall down towards the center of earth, downward. Yes. So this is natural phenomena. So this is hypothesis. This is our imagination. Yes, we can. We can sense it. Good. Sorry. So to the next topic, we can grab the concept observation and inference. Okay, what is? One second. Yeah, the third topic we have observation and inference. Observation means, suppose initially we observe something like this pen curves, right? Might be it is written in blue color or red color, or might be black too. So this is our imagination. Okay, means a hypothesis. This is our observation. Wow, the pen color is red. This is our observation. Oh, bottle color is red. This is our observation. Oh, the fan is moving clockwise direction. This is our observation. Oh, the object which is thrown up, that must fall down towards the center of the earth. This is our observation. Yes. So first thing, observe, and the second one, that is result. Will get the result. Understand it easily. Okay, just calm down. Okay, calm down, understand it. I'm elaborating again. Okay, if I'm sure that if I'll make you understand now, you'll answer me now. Okay, yes. If I throw this upward, then what will be the next? That the object will fall down towards the center of the earth. Okay, if we will throw this upward, this will fall down. Yes, this is natural phenomena. So we observe that it goes upward. It is going upward, and the inference here, that is, it must fall down. Okay, so this is the third thing we have. And what is the question, like what we can query here? We can, in observation, dash, what do I see? What is this? Oh, this is pen. Oh, this is whiteboard marker. Oh, this is magnet. Oh my god, that's the logo of Roy classes. Okay, yes. Again, we are here for what? Again, the next sorry, one sec. Yes, again we are here for what? The inference. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? If it will go upward like this, then what does it mean? Means it will fall down. Okay? Newton thought what? Nothing special, nothing unique. Newton thought nothing special, nothing unique, just the common thing. What the common thing was? That an apple plucked out through the tree and that is fall down towards the center of the earth. That fall down towards the earth. Then he queries himself. Then he queries himself. Then he asks himself that why this apple get fall down towards the center of the earth? Why doesn't it go upward? He observed the thing first that the apple plucked out through the tree. Okay, but what the inference? Inference that it doesn't go upward. It just fall down. Got it? Yes. And the next topic, dear students, scientific skill. So what are the scientific skill? What are the scientific skill? What we can understand? What we can sense? Very simple, very easy. Okay? Scientific skill means the observation. What I have elaborated, observation to look something like this. Okay, to look something and think about this. That is what? That is observation. And experimentation. Observation, that what is this? If an iron smith, if a iron man, if a goldsmith does their work, we can see this distinctly that they are experts in their own work. They are experts in their own job, Why? Because their master, they have mastered, they done their master. They have done their best. Okay? Because they observe the things, they have learned, they have practiced so many times, and that's why they become the master of that particular thing. Am I clear? Yes. So again, experimentation. The first thing, that if observation means they observe something, that what is hammer? Oh, this is hammer. This look like hammer. Okay. And experimentation. Oh, how does it work? It works like this. 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 What is this? Oh, this is fan. How does it work? Oh, it works like this. It works like this. It is used in riding something. It is used to ride something. Yeah, so this is what? This is experiment. Okay. Dear students, as I hypothesis, as I assumed, as I imagined that it might be rain, just you can sense, you can hear the sound. Oh my God, it's a heavy rain going on here. It's a heavy rain going on here. Trust me, you can hear the sound. Don't worry, but I'm here. You're here, you right here, I'm here. I'll elaborate the things, don't worry. The next topic, guys, that is tools and instrument. That is tools and instrument. One sec. Oh, welcome back again. So the next thing is tools and instrument. If I see this, okay, whenever you go to the laboratory of your school, you can see there the many things like beaker, like glasses, like the tube, like the magnifying glasses, like the microscope, like so many chemical bottles you can see there. You can see there the experiment is going on there. So that is what you see the things through which you see the things through which the reaction, the experiment is going on there. That is the instrument. That is the tools. Got it? Again, you see in the laboratory, you see the things, okay, through which or by which the experiment is going on, okay, that is what, that is tools, that is your tools, okay, that is your instrument, scientific instrument. Am I clear? Yes. Next, and sorry for this natural phenomena, really sorry. Okay, let's get start next. My God, it sounds, oh my God. Okay, so next thing, branches of science. This is very important. You need to understand the branches of science. Dear students, my dear champions, you need to understand the branches of science. Here, the branches of science, that is the first one, the physics. If you touch this bottle, if the bottle is fall down, that is physics. The phenomena in world, in nature, the phenomena that occurs, the phenomena in which the body is moving or body is being touched. You can see here, I am touching the bottle. Okay, I can sense the bottle. Okay, this is what, this is very hard, you know. Okay, it will break if I make it fall down, it will break. There might be some wear and tear with this bottle if I make it fall down. So that is what, that is physics. Okay, that is physics. This is very hard. That is physics. But its color is pink, its color is red, it look reddish, it look pinkish. That is chemistry. You can see the water inside this bottle. That is chemistry. That is chemistry. Because it is the water. What is made up of two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. That is water. So that is chemistry. There we can learn the properties of elements, properties of things internally, that is chemistry. The branch of science in which we are going to learn the properties of any object physically, that is physics. Okay, and the branch of science in which we are going to learn something about some body, about a body internally, its internal property, that is chemistry, and the branch of science in which we are going to learn, we are elaborate something, we read something, okay, about the living things, the non-living things, living things, non-living things, that is biology, like fish, like human beings, okay, like animals, like trees, plants, like microorganism, that is biology. So this is what, so this is